Planning a Star Wars themed party? Whether it's for kids, teens, or die-hard fans, the right decorations can instantly transport your guests to a galaxy far, far away. Start with colors. Classic black, silver, and gold, with accents of lightsaber red, green, and blue. Add iconic backdrops featuring the Death Star, Millennium Falcon, or galaxy scenes. DIY lightsabers from pool noodles are a fun and budget-friendly touch for kids. For the table, use Star Wars-themed plates, cups, and centerpieces with characters like Darth Vader, Yoda, or Baby Yoda, Grogu. Don't forget a balloon arch in galactic colors or a starry backdrop for the perfect photo booth. And for extra wow factor, use LED lights to mimic hyperspace or glow-in-the-dark stars for an immersive vibe. With just a few creative ideas, your Star Wars party will feel epic and unforgettable. If you loved these decoration tips, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY party inspiration, and may the Force be with your celebration.